Welcome to our deep dive into the world of automatic transmissions. Today, we'll explore the fascinating mechanics behind CVT, AMT, AT, DCT, and the torque converter. Each of these systems offers unique benefits and challenges, and we'll break them down for you. Let's start with the continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Known for its smooth acceleration and fuel efficiency, the CVT uses a belt and pulley system to provide seamless gear transitions. However, some drivers find it lacks the traditional feel of gear shifts. Next, we have the automated manual transmission, or AMT. This system combines the efficiency of a manual transmission with the convenience of an automatic. While AMTs are cost-effective, they can sometimes deliver a jerky ride during gear changes. Moving on to the automatic transmission, or AT, which is the most common type. It uses a complex system of gears and hydraulic fluid to change gears automatically. ATs are known for their reliability and ease of use, though they can be less fuel efficient compared to other types. The dual-clutch transmission, or DCT, offers the best of both worlds, with rapid gear changes and improved fuel efficiency. However, DCTs can be more expensive to maintain. Finally, the torque converter, a component often found in traditional automatics, provides smooth power delivery and is highly durable. Yet, it can lead to higher fuel consumption. Through 3D animations, we'll visualize how each system operates, enhancing your understanding of these complex mechanisms. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or a learner, this video aims to equip you with valuable insights into the world of automatic transmissions. Stay tuned as we unravel the intricacies of these engineering marvels, helping you make informed decisions about your vehicle's transmission needs.